Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone at once. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your Instagram app. And as you can see right here, this is my Instagram app and everything. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile icon on the below right corner. And you're going to see right here, there is, few people right here, right? But let's say for example I'm into this account, right, and I want to unfollow a lot of people. So as you can see right here, I have 192 people now. So you could do the default way, which is unfollow one by one, just go ahead and click unfollow. Or you have another option, which is you want to unfollow everyone at once, because it will take too much time, right? Now in order to unfollow everyone at once, you will need to go ahead into your profile icon at the below right corner again, so you can see your profile. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the three bars at the top right, move along to the settings here, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down till you find the help. Click on it and basically just go ahead and click report a problem. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click the last option, report problem without shaking. Okay, and you're gonna see right here, if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics, if you want, just go ahead and do that, and if you don't, just go ahead and don't. Right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and type something like this. All right, please help me, all right, to unfollow all of my followings, okay, all my followings at once. Okay, and you can just type something just like this, right? And basically if you want to include a screenshot or upload to let them know, or to make them see how many followers that you got, and basically hit send and wait for the Instagram reply for your text message. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.